Want a free open-source version of Manus AI? Here's the simple way beginners can use Manus AI alternatives. Start by choosing an open-source AI agent like OpenManus, Claude, or AutoGPT. These tools are popular alternatives that can automate tasks, research, workflows, and AI actions similar to Manus AI. Next, go to the project's official GitHub page or website and follow the installation guide. Most open-source AI agents require installing tools like Python, Docker, or Node.js before setup. Some options also offer beginner-friendly web interfaces. After installation, connect the AI model or API you want to use, such as OpenAI, Claude, or local open-source models. Then start giving the agent tasks like research, planning, coding, or workflow automation. Finally, test small tasks first before running complex automations. Many open-source agents are powerful, but beginners should learn gradually because setup and reliability can still be more technical than Manus AI itself. Community discussions also mention that some projects still feel experimental compared to Manus. Now you know how to use free open-source Manus AI alternatives for automation, research, and AI workflows in a simple way.